in the video that I'll insert a clip here, I will show you guys how the room looks and where I want to potentially move things around. So I'm not even gonna say I'm embarrassed with how this room looks, because y'all not about to give me hell when y'all room probably looks certain. And this isn't actually our actual sleeping room. This is like my office room. So with that being said, this is how it looks. This is everything that's on the floor, all my makeup stuff. So I'm gonna move everything out the way because my husband is about to come in here and help me. And I'm just gonna prop you guys up, and I'm just going to show him exactly where I want things to go, which again, what I'm thinking of putting the vanity on this wall. Like I want both of the desk on one side, and I actually would like to move this, don't mind espresso martini cup. God, this room is something. But I want to move these bookshelves to where my computer desk is now. And then eventually I want to get an area rug to put on the floor. And I think it'll be a lot better instead of like one desk is on this side, one desk is on this side, the bookshelf on this side. It just eats up unnecessary space. So when everything just is set up a lot better, I feel it'll flow correctly. So I'm just gonna clean everything off the floor. He's gonna come in and then he'll move everything for me. I don't want him. So let's get started. It's exciting. Yeah. All right, I just finished vacuuming the floor. This is all my makeup stuff. My sister owns a cleaning business, so I'm just gonna have her send her coworkers here. I got a majority of everything off the floor on this side, so I still have this side to go through, which is fine, which is honestly just a lot of plugs and stuff, but just a few things that I just need to pick up off the floor, and then that's it. Well, quite honestly, there's a lot of things I need to unplug as well. So let me go ahead and do that and stop chit chatting. But stuff be tiring. I think a good majority of everything is off the floor. So let me go ahead and tell my husband that he can come up. Yeah, so this is gonna get moved here. No, not here, not facing here, but facing like how it is now. Yeah, I'm just moving. And I don't know if I should just leave a little bit of room and keep a little space here. And then, well, depending on how long that is. How long that is. Yeah, that, because if it goes there and then this isn't, there's no room, what you gotta do is push this more towards the wall. And then, yeah, that goes there. So it is, but I don't think it's as long because this is short. And once we move that, two desks can fit there. So we move this and then we start turning this around. Well, we got to move that out. Give you guys a fragrance haul. Like, I'm gonna do a separate video. Like y'all, I just put a whole bunch, but I have a whole bunch and I just stuffed some in here. I just got this. It smells so good. So yeah, I'm just stuffing, and these are like my empty perfume stuff. This is how it's looking right now, right? So that's the garbage can. I promise it'll go down. I have to clean all this stuff. But I want you guys' advice or suggestions on this, right? So this is how it's looking. I'm not really big on cosmetics. Like everybody thinks that you're supposed to have same black desk that matches the vanity, whatever. Mine's is like wooden brown or whatever. And then my bookcase back here is like white. I don't care about none of that stuff. What I really care about is like all this stuff is going to come down. This is like shirts that I'm selling on like my Mercari. And these are just things that just need to get put out, whatever. What do you guys think I should be doing? Like, should I move this out the way? I know you guys are probably asking like, what's in here? It's literally like all my photography stuff. And I don't really want to put all my photography stuff in the garage. Reason being is that once it gets hot, they always suggest not leaving lithium batteries in the garage because it could blow up. So I'm not trying to put all that stuff in the garage or whatever, but I do want to figure out like what should I get? Should I like fill the walls up with like pictures, or should I actually get like a storage loading shelf that closes and put stuff on there and then put the most important stuff on the wall? Or like what do you guys think? What could be a little better? And of course, like what, oh shoot, girl, almost failed. What color area rug should I get on the floor? And this is this side of the wall. This is like my lenses and my cameras and stuff. Like what should I do? You know, like I love this lamp. It's a brown, dark brown lamp. But this is the lamp when it's plugged in. You know, I thought that would be cute back there. So like when I am doing like content and then I have it facing this way, it kind of gives like more of like one of those like extra not a key light but like a backlight. I thought that'd be real pretty. So far this is what I have. I would love you guys' suggestions, so please leave it down in the comments. And I'm so excited for this room. Like this is gonna be like my little sanctuary. And I know a lot of guys, I know my husband was like, you sure you're gonna keep the plant here? I'm not sure. I figured like just moving these out the way would be good, but I love how this gives it this aesthetic, like with the tree. And I love how the branches are actually over the monitor, you get what I mean? Like I don't mind that at all. Obviously if it's too much I'll move it, but the only thing is that like my daughter likes picking at the moss. So I need something to cover that. And then I have my paper shredder right here. I do look into getting something to kind of like tie these together, and then like maybe have my husband, you know, stick these together like this to keep it out of the way. And then of course you guys, and then I have this footstep thing right here because your girl's getting old and posture is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty office / beauty room makeover with me. This is only the beginning, so definitely follow along as I make this into a series, you guys. Like that's what I'll do. I'll make it into the series and I'll show you guys all the little upgrades as I upgrade it and make it into the sanctuary, the nice little sanctuary. And I also want my husband to be able to use this room as well. I know he's like, this is my room, whatever, but I'm like, no, if you ever want to like come in here, if you got like a podcast or you got like a video perfume stuff back on the shelf. So I ended up having to squish them all together, but this is all my fragrance. I have a whole lot and I have no shame in my game. I love smelling good. And this is all my body sprays, body mists, and also my lotions. I love smelling good, you guys. I'll definitely be giving you guys a haul that no one asked for. Just to kind of, you know, talk about like why some of these scents are like my favorite. Some of these were just like testers, like I don't know how this smells, but I'm just buying it because I've seen it at like TJ Maxx or Ross or something, or just bought it in the mall because someone convinced me to buy it. But I mean, you guys should know if you watch all my other videos, but I also have the Beyonce Say Lemire. So let me go ahead and put her up as well. This box, I'm like, girl, get rid of the box. I was one of those girls like that would keep the freaking Apple. Like if I get a new laptop or a new iPhone, I keep the box. And for what? So I'm at a point now where I'm finally matured to throw away the box these things come in. So yeah, she goes up. Ooh. Yeah, she goes right there. She's pretty. Very, very pretty. If you made it this far, don't forget to leave me a like or a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I do all things beauty, lifestyle, fashion, tech reviews. So if that's your thing, feel free to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!